The Hoover Dam, completed in 1936, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Did you know it took over 5 years to build this colossal structure, using 3.25 million cubic yards of concrete? That's enough to fill a 6-foot-wide sidewalk from Los Angeles to New York City. Not only does this engineering wonder generate hydroelectric power for millions, but it also created Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States. During its construction, workers faced extreme conditions, including scorching heat and dangerous heights. Yet, they persevered, showcasing unmatched teamwork. Today, the Hoover Dam attracts over 1 million visitors annually, reminding us of the incredible potential of human determination and skill.